Lesson 1, page 240, focus on concept number 1. So if you look at the moon, you can focus your eye so that it goes to the bottom of the moon, which would be like down here. And then you can focus your eye so that it looks at the top of the moon, which would be like up there. And then if you swung an arc, that arc would basically be like the diameter of the moon. Now, of course, the diameter of the moon is not part of an arc, but yet it's so far away that, you know, it's nearly linear. And if we know how far away the moon is, and we know the diameter of the moon, we can find this angle between the line of sight to the bottom of the moon to the line of sight to the top of the moon. This angle right in there, yes? So using that formula, S equals R theta, S will be the diameter of the moon, 3.48 times 10 to the 6th meters. R is how far away the moon is, 3.85 times 10 to the 8th meters. And we can find that theta, the angle between the line of sight to the top of the moon to the line of sight to the bottom. Can someone crunch that out for me? What does that angle turn out to be?
Wait, how did you get 3.85? They tell you?
They tell you that's how far away the moon is. Anyone crunching?
Oh wait, it's 3.85.
So it would be 385 million. Oh, divided by, oh, just kidding. 0.009. Yeah.
Do we need to find theta? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. 0.009, and what would the units of that be? Really no units, but what do we put? Radians. Now, if this is the person right here, and this is their eye, there's their mouth right there.
Oh my god.
If they hold out their hand and they put a P in the line of sight, if they hold the P a certain distance, and what distance do they say they hold the P away from the eye?
71.
How far away? 71 centimeters?
Yeah.
So that would be 0.71 meters, yes? And what's the diameter of the P right here? 0.5 centimeters?
Yeah.
So that's 0.005 meters. Correct? We can figure out the angle right there as well, using that same formula. So S is equal to R theta, and S is like the arc, which is like the diameter of the P, so that would be 0.005 meters. R is how far away the P is from your eye, 0.71 meters. And we can solve for theta, and what do we get for theta here?
0.007.
0.007? Now, since that is smaller than the angle up here for the moon,
You'll see the moon.
you're still going to be able to see the moon above and below the P. You know what I mean? The P is not going to be able to completely cover the moon. What would you have to do with that P to get it to completely cover the moon?
Move it
Closer.
Move it closer.
Make it bigger.
If you move it closer, or make it bigger.
Yeah.
And what was the dimensions
Find a bigger
of
pig.
the dime?
Oh. What's the dime?
No.
I thought it was a P.
No,
just
there's
hit-
two
it
of
just
them.
hit.
There's two.
Oh,
Let's stay with the pig.
the dime is 1.8 centimeters, so it's 0.018.
Can't see it
This
through
one
the
will
dime.
cover it.
So S equals R